Hello YouTube. You can see I'm back. I have another unboxing. This one is my Eclipse makeup bag from Portland Leather. I just received the box and you can see that I'm pulling the paper out. This was one of their almost perfect pieces, but of course some of the imperfections that they have I really don't see as an imperfection. That was the little flyer that they included in the bag, and I am pulling out the cosmetic bag, and you can see my bucket bag that I purchased recently in the background. But this cosmetic bag came in cognac, and I really like the dark color. I like the way it contrasts with the other bag. And the measurements on the bag are: the top width is 10 inches, the bottom it says 7.5 inches, the depth is 2.75, and the height is 4.75. You can see the inside is the unfinished leather, which is really nice and smooth. The zipper, it gave me a little bit of trouble right there at the beginning, but other than that, it was fine. And these are my two pieces from Portland Leather. Again, you can see the inside of the bag. It is really nice finishing. The stitching is really nice on this bag. I had a hard time deciding which color I wanted. They had a really pretty blue one. I can't think of the name that they had on the website, but it was a very nice bag. I think I will probably get another bag. I think this could be used for more than just cosmetics. It could be a catch-all in your purse, something you could use on a daily basis. You could probably just grab it, maybe throw a card holder in it, and take it with you if you just had to run to the store and do some quick errands. But it's a nicely made bag. This next part, I am showing you what will fit into the cosmetic bag. The first bag that you see, that is my Coach cosmetic bag, and I'll show you the items that I have on the inside. I don't have much in there. The first thing, excuse me, that is the little case that I use for my mask. I have a couple of lipsticks, and I also have some hand cream and a lip gloss and a ponytail holder. If I can get the hand cream out. And another lipstick. And I don't really carry much in it. That is a very small cosmetic case or catch-all that I normally carry in my other bags. And now you'll see me put the items back in to the Portland bag. And as you can see, there's ample space in this bag. Everything is in, and there's a ton of space left over. But like I said, I really don't carry a whole lot, but it closes easily. And I'm going to add a couple of other items in. And these are my earbuds. Another lipstick. Some hand sanitizer. And there's still a ton of space. Again, I think maybe the zipper may have been the issue, but I can fix that up with some wax paper. But there you go, it holds plenty and there's still a lot of space. Like I said, the color is beautiful. I really like the quality of the items from Portland. And now I will show you how the cosmetic bag fits into my bucket bag. There's my card holder. My new Coach notebook. My small Coach wallet with the 2 zippers on it. Some mints. And my eyeglasses. And the cosmetic bag. And everything fit in comfortably. There was still some space left if I wanted to add a couple more items in. And there's everything laid out. And here's the bag again. Now the more I looked at it, I did see maybe a slight indentation on the front in the corner. But I just think that gives it a lot of character. The leather is smooth. And like I said, it's really great quality. I like the zipper. Like I said, I'm just gonna run a piece of wax paper over the zipper. And that should enable it to glide a lot easier. But check it out. Portland leather. Thank you.